Most people don't fail their goals because they're lazy. They fail because they never actually had a plan. They had a wish. Here's how Claude AI can help you turn almost any goal into a real step-by-step system. Whether you want to lose weight, save money, learn a skill, start a side project, or finally finish something you've been putting off, this works. The problem with most goal setting is simple. We say things like, I want to get healthier. I want to make more money. I want to learn something new. But those aren't plans. Claude helps you turn those ideas into something you can actually follow. Step 1. Tell Claude exactly what you want. Try this prompt. I want to achieve this goal in this amount of time. Help me break it into monthly milestones, weekly actions, and a simple way to track my progress. The key is being specific. Don't say, I want to get fit. Say, I want to run a 5K in 3 months, and I've never run before. The better the information you give Claude, the better the roadmap becomes. Step 2. Let Claude build the roadmap. Claude can organize your goal into phases. What happens first, what happens next, and what your progress should look like along the way. Instead of staring at a huge goal, you get the next step. And that's what actually creates momentum. Step 3. Turn that roadmap into a weekly checklist. Ask Claude, turn this plan into a simple weekly checklist I can follow. Now, you don't have a random goal anymore. You have a system. Save it, print it, put it somewhere you'll actually see it. Step 4. Use Claude as your weekly check-in. At the end of the week, tell Claude, here's what I completed. Here's what I missed. What should I adjust? This is where it gets powerful. Claude can help you spot what's working and where the plan needs to change. No judgment, just the next step. Step 5. Prepare for the difficult parts, because every goal gets difficult eventually. Ask Claude, I'm stuck on this part of my goal. What are 3 reasons people usually fail here, and how do I avoid them? That's where Claude can help you think through obstacles before they stop you. So here's the system. Specific goal, monthly milestones, weekly checklist, weekly review. Adjust when needed. Try it with one goal this week. You might be surprised how different a goal feels when it finally has a plan attached to it. If this helped, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Then hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. See you tomorrow.